Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing all new Corolla Cross. Talking about the engine, we get 1.8 liter 2ZR FXE inline 4-cylinder engine producing 98 horsepower and 142 Newton meters of torque. Talking about the electric motor, as it's a hybrid car, we get 72 horsepower electric motor producing torque of 163 Newton meters of torque. Talking about the transmission, we get electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, 17 inches alloy wheels in the car of size 215 by 60. Toyota Corolla Cross launches in Pakistan in three variants, that is the premium, mid and the low variant. Talking about the premium variant features, we get power tailgate with foot sensor just like Proton X70, dual zone climate control, leather seats, sunroof, two front and two rear parking sensors, power adjustable driver seat and manual passenger seat adjustment, cruise control and rain sensing wipers, digital cluster information display, 8 inches infotainment system which supports Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth and USB, 6 speakers and 4 airbags, two front curtain and knee airbag. Talking about the low and the mid features, we get two front airbags, immobilizer, analog speedometer, RPM meter, 4.2 inches information display, colored, no rear AC vents in the basic variant of the Toyota Corolla Cross. We get a basic CD system and a Bluetooth connectivity. Two rear parking sensors we get in the low and the mid variant. Anti-lock braking system, electronic brake distribution system, vehicle stability control, hill assist control, brake assist, tire pressure monitoring system in which we get pressure and temperature in every tire. Immobilizer are standard. Talking about the colors of the car, we get salicide gray metallic, platinum white pearl, at attitude black mica, metal stream metallic, red mica metallic, nubella blue, graphite metallic. Talking about the boot space of the car, we get 487 liters of boot space. Talking about the front light of the car, we get LED projector headlamp, LED daytime running lights and LED indicator turn signal. Rear cross traffic alert RCTA by two rear mounted parking sensors in the side view mirror, 8 LED bar rear mounted brake lamp, shark fin antenna. Projector headlamp gives great visibility, LED fog lamps, LED turn indicator in the side view mirror and a camera, beautifully designed rear tail lights with LED brake lamp and halogen turn signal. Sunroof we only get in the premium variant, 4 body character lines on the roof for stability. Interior look of sunroof and interior cabin lights, premium leather Terra Rosa we get in the premium variant only, auto tailgate and smart entry, 8 inches infotainment system, multi-function steering control, airbag horn, auto dimming back view mirror, multi-function steering control we get क्रूज़ कंट्रोल, लेन असिस्ट और एंटी कोलिजन कंट्रोल हमें सिर्फ प्रीमियम वेरिएंट में मिलेगा। रियर आर्म रेस्ट में हमें 2 कप होल्डर्स मिलेंगे। हमारे पास ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल है, ईवी का मोड है, पुश स्टार्ट है और ड्राइविंग मोड में हमारे पास 3 मोड हैं, इकोनॉमी, स्पोर्ट एंड नॉर्मल। ऑटो टेलगेट विथ फुट सेंसर, Rear seats have 60-40 split rear AC vents with two charging docks of 2.1 ampere. Talking about the price of the car, we get the basic variant at 76 lakh 89,000, mid variant at 82 lakh and the premium variant at 84 lakh. बेसिक वेरिएंट में और मिड वेरिएंट में 5 लाख का डिफरेंस है और प्रीमियम में 2 लाख का डिफरेंस है. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू. अल्लाह.